akom eni ntremu na yeni enim se Chairman Wontumi lawyer ababontin ababe katre Ghana for say otro letter akwakoma judge se Chairman Wontumi case no or twini hu free case nim. Inti enra me report ni wie no, a little voice was just telling me say there might be something behind that. You know, Ghana for be feel say Chairman Wontumi. In fact, I even said that. Say Chairman Wontumi lawyer no jama we hu say ye be Chairman Wontumi atum inti na wo yes sir. But me hear story ni wie no fiti enra ma I say me tin ni bi catch me say do some research on it. There is something happening. There might be something happening. There might be something happening. And then me sorry, me sound so tisano. And I say Dabi. Let me go and read on a year say judge my judgment on a case. Na lawyer Babon saying ba because we training who fi case ni mo. What might be behind it? Ebusian for ni baby weni. Enya me wanwa say sa move we a Chairman Wontumi ne lawyer. A tactical move just to delay the case. Judge Akatren say Wobema ruling on 3rd July. Enya me wanwa say omo person mu delay ruling inti na probably will take some movie. And you are going to understand why. And then your first time wa subscribe and click the notification bell on so. Here is our latest news bi aba on sa ebeka. And then your first time wa subscribe, click the notification bell on so. Here is our latest news we about on Sabekan. This video is kindly sponsored by the Ghanaian Jesse. Mama Wati Asiye say ya ranki Ghana ye Jesse no as #1 in the world. Ya say Ghana Jesse no enye football pen na obetumi dia share, obetumi dia kwa sorry, obetumi dia kwa ejuma, obetumi dia kwa school, obetumi dia sporty, obetumi dia ball life. Fre 0544232338 na pe Ghana Jesse ni binato. Ene na ede atari a yesi efe wo wiase mu ende eye Ghana ye Jesse. Nti frɛ wo outside Ghana wherever you are oto a ye be shepe di abro omomo Germany omomo London na wo mato Jesse ni na ombe di adanse wati ase. Nti frɛ ne empe Jesse ni mama wati ase so say Ghanaian Jesse di ye to a enti se kosua ni meko ye nto ba akopɛ oto a at least mienu se ye wonko ho kra na to be 3 wati ase. Na uya na watoto bi nso achenkrofo. Anyway, yan konsem ni mu. So as I was saying, this morning I woke up and me research. Now research no question me be saying say because that's what I was hearing. Say menye research e wasem ne so say die ntia and a lawyer ebe ye say ye be ma judgment or track akoma judge say or withdraw from the case. Now research na me in someone minya points be and I me zooming in on one of the points. Now you read it. Or say common reasons lawyers withdraw. Or say here are the main ones drawn from legal practice and the specific Ghana cases. And you see Ghana has specifically say lawyer ever withdraw from a case. Reasons no bakuni procedural stroke ethical requirements. Inti obviously Oshe Chairman Wontumi na it does not fall under procedural stroke ethical requirements because I say courts require proper notice. Into when the courts no and they require proper notice. Into that point, yentungu. 2. Disagreements with courts or case handling. When so it falls under because apia kubi allege say ane enye judge no ase encrophobia we chi no mudi asem no na enye judge ni na di asem no ke kan sem bebre, right? Now, the third one, client instruction or breakdown in relationship. Say lawyer no any nipakra ye di na asem no enya kasakasa lawyer no to make sure who free case them, and that is not what is happening with Chairman Wontumi any lawyer and the apia kubi because a lawyer and the apia kubi na wo di Chairman Wontumi any in all the other cases. Inti it has nothing to do with this. Now the fourth point any ahase na me feel say asem no. Fourth point in any or say late withdrawals no a strategic and tactical move. I want to say, see a strategic and tactical mover. What does that mean? Let's go into it. Oscillate withdrawals, example, weeks before judgment can delay proceedings. Tio, or say ye be ma ruling ni a date. Now lawyer ba no ba beka say case no. Me say me ye ni pa kone lawyer bioma technically no ebe ma asem na che. The entire bema asem no ache any. Or the new council often needs time to review files, potentially pushing back deadlines. It is a Chairman Wontumi lawyer. Eka so what person watch ni who free case nim. Na judge ni penia. Na trese judge ni bema mre se Chairman Wontumi kofa lawyer foforo. Se Chairman Wontumi kofa lawyer foforo a e was say judge na ema ne mre lawyer foforo ne mre na lawyer foforo no eba be steady case no. No nso ede ne nsemba betu gyanti no ebema ruling date na ye 3 July na judge na nka person ma ruling no afi judge no ma ruling ne sa date no ye be delay case no te hwana me say sentia na eni me ka say na eni pese me hu the reason why, because I was thinking about it and I was thinking say adan Chairman Wontumi lawyer no surrender, not knowing this could be the move, because you see I've told you say share most of the NPP or more yachi omuso mwedi boneno, including friends and lady no NSS lady any national security papei, National Security Bureau, Signals Bureau papei, any Chairman Wontumi cases now Wontumi who say there is a deliberate move to delay the case, and I've told you, say politicians they know all they'll have to do is to delay the case until their party comes to power. To me was that there's a deliberate move to delay the case. It's me who point to and I'm saying come in. And so I went for more details into that particular point. Not here any or say strategic or tactical withdrawals are a recognized maneuver in litigation, especially in high stakes criminal or political cases. So say I did be a lawyers nim. It is someone yamu be dia dance and say ya get to talk on unsu case. Obo say go fedami abase will withdraw free case nim, but din nani entiasie. Or say they are they are a recognized maneuver in litigation, especially in high stakes criminal or political cases. They exploit procedural rules to create delays, force adjournments, or shift momentum. It is the main reason in here ye throw ekokoma judge say ye withdraw any say a delay case. Or say without the lawyer explicitly admitting that is the goal. Or say how tactical withdrawals work in practice. Lawyers or their clients time the exit for maximum disruption. Late stage timing, filing withdrawal right before key deadlines, written addresses due to June 17 or judgment on July 3rd is classic. New counsel must come up to speed on voluminous trial records, witness transcripts, exhibits and arguments. They almost always request weeks or months for review, effectively pausing the case. Inti, the lawyer and the appeal could be judge ne peneso man say on withdraw. Not say judge na makon say lawyer fu from bar. Lawyer fu from the bar. Or best judge ne say me a new lawyer. Let me study the case. Ma me 3 months na me study case no. Because new lawyer na fiance also already judgments. Already all the judgments are akoso. Already all the witness statements. A fiance also study case ni ye. Tiabema July 3rd ruling na KBI pesi ye na ye ni July 3rd. He be delay at least for some few months. And to see, forcing court accommodation, courts must balance the accused's rights to effective counsel. Ghana's 1992 Constitution, Article 19, against preventing abuse of process. Judges can reject the withdrawal, order the new lawyer to adopt existing records and proceed quickly on grants limited extension, but in complex trials, outright refusal risk appealable claims of unfair trial. Psychological and public effect. Publicly citing disappointment with the judge's attitude, record, determinations, as Andy Appiah-Kubi did, plant seed of perceived bias. This can influence public opinion, pressure the judiciary, or set up grounds for future appeals if the outcome is unfavorable. It's a Chairman Wontumi the case na Wontumi who say lawyer no the reason why me susu say what track akoma judge no ɛyɛ yɛpɛ sɛ delay case no na ɛnyɛ sɛ bi a wɔn soro bibi ebusuafoɔ book na ɛda screen so no your friend the Ghanaian investor. This is your most practical guide ɛbɛtrɛw sɛnea wobɛ investi ɛwɔ Ghana. Now a lot of people don't know, but you will be your friend the Ghana Stock Exchange. Now Ghana Stock Exchange, we invest ɛwɔ Ghana Stock Exchange more. What it simply means, and it's a udi usika invest in some companies be a listed ɛwɔ Ghana. Companies be to say a year Ghana Commercial Bank, companies be to say MTN. Into the best investments any Ghanaian can ever do. Investing in a Ghana Stock Exchange, because on average Ghana Stock Exchange a return revenue and an ROI of 25%. What it simply means is that every single year biano when you crown na 25% if you invest in a Ghana Stock Exchange. This book is going to go take you through how to invest in a Ghana Stock Exchange, how to invest in a Nyamabia your friend in mutual funds. Now aside this there are 3 other investment firms be a Ghana hands on so a secret and crowdfunding. If you purchase this book, you are going to get to know of those secrets or those investments, and then it's going to change your life forever. Get this book, The Ghanaian Investor. So open book maybe out a very simple number na that book ne so 055-807-4986. Obe to me a fresh number no. Ofra you best sort out with the book. Obe to me so our WhatsApp number no. So one person obe free and I say one person obe WhatsApp ya. Very simple. On your screen, video now we share sisi no. Obe hu baby ya draw view products. Obe to me a click so a obe hu say books ni na ebeba. Na wa click book no version ni twi video wo ho. Ni PDF ewo ho ni English video enso wo ho twi video no eye for wo mo a eye na akenkan eye omoden omo ana wo ntumi nkenkan brofo ni English video enso wo ho akenkan ye oden na nso pe brofo a English video wo ho PDF enso obi a wo hwe a wo pese wo kan wo phone so na trese bibia eco smooth no onso de any the PDF. So that is also another way you can get the book. So what me now you Ghana ni now our brochure, you can just go on Amazon now I search book no the title that screen is no The Ghanaian Investor. Into search for book ne title Ghanaian Investor. We say beba na wa purchase na say ya ship e dia bro e wa brochure ho. And I say video na wo hwe sisi ano ye will be a friend the description box e wo YouTube. Into na say obe click more. O click more obe call description box ni mu. Into call description box ni mu a obe hu say a book no ne links ewa ha wati ase opese o use mobile money a eno ane se wa click sa link na ya tro get my book here for mobile money, get the ebook here na wa click so na unsaka get the hard copy na wa click so na unsaka very 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 simple. These are the ways obetumi use edenya book we yento book we ni ehu senia yebetumi invest. Ghana's economy is booming. I personally believe that the next set of billionaires and millionaires, they will be coming from the Ghana Stock Exchange. And so take advantage of this, learn how to invest in the Ghana Stock Exchange amidst any other and all other investments, and also what Ghana for.